Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to transfer money from FAB to Botim, so let's start. So the first one is open the Botim app. You make sure that you have the newest version from Botim. Log in into your phone number. Number 2, set up Botim Pay, if not done yet. In the home screen, tap Botim Pay Wallet. Complete identity verification. Create your Botim Pay wallet. Then link your Botim wallet to your bank. Go to Add Money or tap inside Botim Pay. Choose Bank Transfer or FAB Bank. Botim will show you the wallet account number and IBAN to use. Number 4, open the FAB mobile banking app. Log in into your FAB mobile app. Number 5, go to Transfers, tap Transfer for the main menu. Select Local Transfer or Transfer to another bank in UAE. Add the Botim IBAN. Tap Add New Beneficiary. Enter name, IBAN, bank, and enter the amount. Choose the how you want you to transfer, and then confirm the transfer. Number 8, complete OTP verification. FAB will send you a one-time password. Enter it to confirm. And number 9, and last one, check your Botim wallet. Open Botim again. Your money should be appearing in Botim Pay after the bank processes the transfer. This usually takes minutes to few hours depending on the bank. So that's how you can do it, guys. If you wanna follow these tips, it will help you a lot to transfer the money easily. So I hope this works for you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up to this video.